Hello everyone, my name is Omar Dean. My instructor's name is Charles Grave, and the class I'm taking is History of Computing Technology. I'm attending Full Sail, and my major is game designing. Um, I am doing my real alternate event project on the Turing machines. Um, the inventor was Alan Turing, who made the foundation of computing from the Turing machines. Um, Historical context. Turing lived in Cambridge, England. He wrote a paper that led to the invention of Turing machines, computability, the universal machine in 1936. The primary notion of the computer was designed to Alan Turing's paper, which is pretty cool. Um, which, if you didn't know, what the machine was purposed to do. It is a device that reads and writes data or symbols to a paper tape. The reason this is also relatable to our computers today is because we use zeros and ones systems in order to program the computer to function the right way, which is crazy if you think about it. I mean, we're using Apple computers, we're using Microsoft, Windows. All of this stuff is not possible without using that little system, the zeros and ones, something so simple but also complicated at the same time. I think that's pretty interesting. Um, a quote that he used, a few quotes that he used, or a couple, sorry, um, is a computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human into believing that it was human. The second quote that he used is machines take me by surprise with great frequency. And those quotes are really true. They're true. I mean, mostly these machines that we're using today, these computers that we're using today, uh, function and do a lot of things that we think we can do, and now we rely a lot on them. And I just think that's really cool, the way we do that. And we gotta also try to take part in using our brains instead of trying to use Google, which it does help out a lot. Um, I came up with an alternate event to this. So the Turing paper was never written, which allowed for us never to get that comprehensive concept around the computers. We never can successfully program computers to work properly. Um, because the paper was never written and the machine was never created. So the alternate history behind that is since the machine was never created, our society then takes a turn for the worse. We continue to use our old school devices, such as the little ring ring type of phones and um, those type of things. So we don't discover the mouse, touchscreen interfaces, or many other tools that allow us to develop as a nation. My supporting facts behind this is program systems are never created due to any existence of the Turing device, and our nation takes a turn for the worse with technology. So we don't discover a lot of things. And so this is just really important to see how Alan Turing played such a big role on our uh, computers that we use today. And fun fact, he was basically fired from his job for being a homosexual. And I think that's pretty cool because if you look at our today's society, that is something that's accepted in a lot of jobs, basically all over jobs. So it's crazy to see how that played a big part too back then. Um, but thank you guys for watching, and till next time, peace.